My people, I'm back again. Like I promised you, today is back to back. And I told you that Nigeria as a state have failed. The primary responsibility of every government is to protect lives and property of its citizens. And the current government in place, the government of President Muhammad Buhari under APC as we have today, have failed in this primary responsibility. And this is the campaign mantra, the propaganda they used during the campaign as a promise to deliver security to the Nigerian people. Beginning from the north, his hometown is under disarray. You know, sometimes when you groom a monster to out your opponent, and that monster grows so big beyond your control, this is what you get. And when you play the politics of ethnicity and religion as we have in Nigeria and the rest of Africa, this is the result you get. Because I remember when the drums were so high to bring in, to usher in change, and Nigerians face to ask which kind of change. Now it is hitting back at them. Now we are on the diminishing return. And this is the cry out of not even my own people, so that you will not say that these people are always crying foul. This is coming from Buhari's own kingsmen and kingmakers and elder statesmen. Oh yeah, we're gonna watch.
The forum regrets that by any standard of judgment, the leadership of President Muhammadu Buhari has failed the nation in the vital area of improving its security. Poverty, particularly in the north, and massive social security problems have worsened under this administration. Northern Elders Forum has refrained from comments on major developments relating to management of national security and governance, because it is convinced that these are times which require the highest levels of responsibility and circumspection in the manner elders and leaders of the nation contribute to the search for solutions to the multiple problems which face the nation. It has now become necessary and appropriate, however, to make public the position of the forum on important matters that affect the manner Nigerians live and the future we must all address. On national security, the forum regrets that by any standard of judgment, the leadership of President Muhammadu Buhari has failed the nation in the vital area of improving its security. Poverty, particularly in the north, and massive social security problems have worsened under this administration. The relationship between insecurity and poverty is fundamental, but the administration does not appear to have any idea on what will provide relief or solution. It gives this forum no pleasure to say that it had warned Nigerians that President Buhari lacked the will, the competence, and the commitment to lead it into a secure and prosperous future before the 2019 elections.
What else do you want me to say? What else do you want me to say concerning this failed government? It is always in the news. We are no longer listening to any other thing in the news. If you open the pages of newspaper, the same thing. If you open your television, the same thing. Insecurity everywhere, left, right, and center.
Hello, I'm Olumide Macaulay. Here's a Channels Television news update. Less than 2 weeks after lawmakers in the House of Representatives called for the sack of the service chiefs, the Northern Elders Forum is also joining in that call. The group is asking for a total overhaul of the nation's security architecture, other public safety agencies, and replacing them with competent hands to deal with several security challenges confronting the nation.
The leadership of President Muhammadu Buhari has failed the nation.
The group that calls itself Northern Elders Forum.
The special advisor to the president on media and publicity, Mr. Femi Adesina, described the Northern Elders Forum as a fussy organization that boasts of no credible membership. He adds that the Northern Elders Forum is merely waving a flag that is at half-mast. In spite of the arguments and counter-arguments between the presidency and its critics, the Nigerian army is reassuring residents of the northeast of their safety as they strive to end the Boko Haram insurgency and other security challenges. The Commander Sector 2 of Operation Lafia Dole, Major General Suleiman Idris, gave the assurance that the Nigerian army's social activities in Damaturu, Yobe State.
Even in the president's home state, recently, the gunmen, when they're killing people, including a traditional ruler. You can imagine. And you say you have a government, and you have not declared a state of emergency. Hey, Igbo say, a na-ekwu na ọkụkọ nyụrụ akpana owelukwu ọnụ na-atụli ya. Say cock shit, can't use a mouth, can't the shopper. That's what we are seeing in this government. And they play politics about everything. Everything to them is about politics. I remember when I heard Nigerian security operating so high, especially the army, as the best army or military in Africa. I cannot say such now because everything has been politicized. Everything na business, everything na cash out, including this recent COVID-19, cash out. These are the crop of people you've allowed, recycling themselves from one political party to the other. Don't get it wrong, don't get it twisted. PDP, APC, now the same wine they recycle for these two jars. They're the same people. They are going from one political party, jumping from one to another, recycling themselves from one political appointment or political office to another. The same people. And how do you expect anything to change? It is only a madman that keep doing a particular thing and expect a different result. That is what Nigerian people have become. They expect a different result. That is the shame I just told you about the Benin Edo between Obaseki, Iyamo, and that man where ugly pass. He had ugly passing face. Adams Oshomole. These are the kind of people you have. Men without shame, men without dignity, men without honor. Unfortunately, they have been using you to recycle themselves. Now take a look at this picture and think. This picture speaks more million words than I have spoken. What do you want? Freedom or bread? That is what they have been using against Nigerian people. They offer you bread in the name of 1,000 naira in exchange of your vote. They offer you bread in the name of using you as a political dog because they gave you 1,000 to go and intimidate other people. They gave you bread in the name of giving you tips for you to upturn and rewrite results in election. Because these men, they are not the ones rigging themselves in. They are using people to rig themselves in. They gave you bread in the name of 500 naira to go and attend political rally to make them look popular. You go for APC, you go for PDP, you go for all the political parties, they give you money, you go there and be shouting, hey, you, and we follow you, we follow you. And at the end of the day, they enter government and you keep crying. They gave you bread. And this bread has been the thing, the bet that has made your life miserable, that has mortgaged the future of your children. But you have the key. And that is what we are offering to you on this platform. Take that key, unlock yourself, and you also have the bread and your freedom. Think, Nigerians, it is time for you to live above mediocrity. I'm signing out and telling you, share this video. Share this video, subscribe if you have not. Because here, we unlock, we unchain the mindset of Nigerians and Africans as a whole. Because our freedom, of our hand, is there. Nobody could do one for us. Thank you for watching this far. Keep sharing. I've done my bit. It is left for you to do the rest. Keep sharing this video. Keep subscribing. Keep liking. Drop your comments. Because we are forming a very powerful community that will move like a machine and change our lives for good. Once and for all. Stay safe.